Please continue to pray for all impacted by Hurricane Ian. And that's not just limited to the state of Florida, but everyone. You are only seeing a portion of the devastation on the news. Continue to watch, but it's only a portion. Keep in mind that full recovery is going to take time and support from a variety of sources. This is not about politics, but partnership for humanity. Prayers in the spirit and boots on the ground are appreciated. Please only partner with organizations you trust personally or that someone can recommend to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.